When making a purchase from Steel Chief, there are a huge range of options to choose from to customise your shed. In this video, we'll briefly outline how to install the steel shelf set. These are suitable for bulky and medium weighted items. Heavy items such as large cans of paint should be stored in on-ground shelving. Before fixing the roof of your shed, hang the brackets of your shelves over the desired side. At the preferred placement of the shelves, set each bracket at the second rib in from the edges of the shelves. This will provide an even weight load. Once done, place each shelf on the bracket and drill in one screw at each place where the shelf backing coincides with the bracket. After having done this for all three shelves, as seen in this video, you have successfully installed the steel shelf set for your Steel Chief shed. For many other optional accessories and Steel Chief sheds, explore our YouTube channel or visit steelchief.com.au.